Hey, big AI news! Open source multimodal model BAGEL is out. How powerful is the open source multimodal model BAGEL? Hi, here is QQQ Big AI News. Today I will introduce and teach you how to install BAGEL. You may have heard of the image and text generation tool, Stable Diffusion. You may have also seen AI models that can speak with pictures, such as QuenVL. But the model introduced today directly integrates looking at pictures, speaking, modifying pictures, and navigating into one. Its name is BAGEL. BAGEL has 7 billion active parameters and a total of 14 billion parameters. It sounds like a new member of the large model family, but its strength lies not in its many parameters but in its versatility. First, in the standard test of image and text comprehension, it directly surpassed the most powerful open-source models such as QWERTY-5-VL and InternVL 2.5. In short, it is more accurate and stable in tasks such as image recognition and image and text question answering. Then there is image generation. You input a paragraph of text, and the quality of the image generated by BAGEL is close to Stable Diffusion 3. In other words, it can not only see and understand pictures, but also draw pictures and draw well. BAGEL's image editing capabilities are also ridiculously strong. Whether it is repairing photos, replacing backgrounds, or adding people or objects, its subjective effects are more natural and delicate than other open-source models. This is the GitHub page of BAGEL. We can see the official test results. Here is the project description of BAGEL. Surprisingly, it's more than just an image model. It also enables free image editing, multi-view synthesis, visual navigation, and scene understanding. This is no longer image editing in the traditional sense. Instead, it has entered the realm of true visual understanding plus world generation. Some time ago, BAGEL began to support running in Comfy. Next, I will teach you how to run the BAGEL model in Comfy UI. This is the one-click installation script I provide to my members who support me. It can save everyone's time in installing the model. In addition, I will also show you the manual installation guide. Now I will show you how to install BAGEL manually. First, we install Comfy on our computer. If you don't know how to install Comfy, you can watch this video of mine. After installing Comfy, we enter this plugin folder. In this folder, we will install the BAGEL plugin. Please look at my operation. Copy the link from the BAGEL plugin GitHub page. Paste the download link in the command bar. Then press the Enter key. After downloading the BAGEL plugin, enter the plugin folder. We need to install the plugin in the plugin folder. You can refer to me to enter the installation instructions. After installing the BAGEL plugin, we need to download the BAGEL model. This is the BAGEL model download page. We need to download this model folder. The largest model file is 29 gigabytes. I will download this model using the command line. We need to download it to this folder. If this folder does not exist on your computer, you need to create it. Next, I will show you how to download the BAGEL model. Copy model download link. Paste model download link here. Then press Enter to download. This is the model I downloaded. Finally, we need to double-click the Comfy startup script to start Comfy. Go to the Comfy interface and import the workflow to use the BAGEL model. Don't worry, I've put the necessary workflow into the installation notes page. If you are interested in how to use the BAGEL model, I will release a tutorial video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.